Imagine this. You're living your dream life. You've built a successful business, your family is thriving, and financial stress is a distant memory. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But here's the kicker. Every success story starts with one simple step: a plan to save for the future. Stay with me because over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how you can begin saving for your family's future, even if you're starting with almost nothing.
チャンネル登録待ってるよ。
Chapter 1: The Power of a Financial Vision. Why should you save? Let's step back for a moment and ask ourselves a simple question. What do you want your future to look like? Not just next month or next year, but 5, 10, 20 years from now. Let me share Sarah's story. At 25, Sarah was like so many of us, working hard but spending just as fast. She always thought, I'll start saving once I earn more. But life doesn't wait. A few unexpected bills, some credit card debt, and suddenly Sarah's financial dream seemed out of reach. Contrast that with someone like Jason. At 22, Jason started small, just saving $50 a month. It didn't seem like much, but he had a vision. A decade later, he's running his own business, owns his first home, and has a safety net for his family. Now think about you. Are you closer to Sarah's path or Jason's? Here's the thing, Jason wasn't lucky. He simply took control early, and you can too. Start by imagining the life you want for yourself and your family. Write it down. Be specific. A home, a business, a debt-free life. These aren't just dreams, they're goals. And goals, when paired with a plan, turn into reality. So how do you go from dreaming about the future to actually building it? In the next chapter, we'll uncover the one mindset shift that changes everything. Chapter 2: The Mindset Shift. From consumer to investor. Let's get real for a second. Most people think about money the wrong way. The truth is, society trains us to be consumers. Advertisements are everywhere, constantly pushing us to buy the latest phone, the trendiest clothes, or the most luxurious vacations. But here's the truth. Wealthy people don't think like consumers. They think like investors. Take Emily, for example. At 23, she landed her first big paycheck. Like many of us, she's celebrated by spending. New gadgets, fancy dinners, you name it. By the time her next paycheck came, she was broke. Then one day, she stumbled on a piece of advice that changed her life. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar you'll never invest for your future. That hit her hard. From that moment on, Emily committed to saving a portion of her income first and investing it. Fast forward a few years, and Emily's investments are earning her more in a month than she used to make in a year. Ask yourself, are you spending to impress others, or are you investing to secure your future? Start small. Track your expenses for a month. Identify where your money is going and cut out what doesn't align with your long-term goals. Imagine the difference: a fleeting moment of happiness from a new gadget, or the lasting security of knowing your family's future is secure. Ready to take action? In the next chapter, I'll show you the single most powerful habit for building wealth, no matter how much you earn right now. Chapter 3: Pay yourself first. Let's talk about the golden rule of saving. Pay yourself first. It's simple but life-changing. The idea is to set aside a fixed percentage of your income before you pay bills, before you buy groceries, before anything else. For example, let's say you earn $1,000 a month. If you save just 10%, that's $100. Over time, those small amounts snowball into a powerful safety net for your family's future. Think about this. Every dollar you save today is a gift to your future family: a house, education for your kids, financial freedom during emergencies. But where do you put that money? A regular savings account isn't enough. Let me reveal a smarter way to grow your savings. Chapter 4: The Magic of Compounding. Have you ever heard of compounding? It's been called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Compounding is when your savings earn interest, and that interest starts earning interest too. For example, if you save $1,000 today and it earns 8% annually, it'll double in about 9 years. Now imagine doing that consistently. Over time, your money grows exponentially. You don't have to be a millionaire to get started. Even small, consistent savings can lead to a massive financial transformation. I'll show you how to start investing even if you have no experience. Chapter 5: The Beginner's Guide to Investments. Saving alone won't build wealth. To truly grow your family's future, you need to invest. But where do you start? Stocks, real estate, mutual funds? Let's simplify. For beginners, consider low-risk options like index funds or ETFs. These spread your money across multiple investments, reducing risk and maximizing long-term growth. Imagine turning your first $100 investment into thousands over time, just by letting your money work for you. But here's the catch. Investing isn't about luck. I'll share how to avoid common mistakes that derail so many beginners. Chapter 6, Avoiding Debt Traps. Debt is the enemy of saving. Credit cards, personal loans, and buy now, pay later schemes are designed to keep you broke. Here's the reality. For every dollar of debt, you're stealing from your future savings. Break free by creating a debt repayment plan. Prioritize high-interest loans first and avoid taking on new debts unless absolutely necessary. Picture your family, free from financial burdens, living a life of opportunity because you made the right choices today. Now let's talk about building a safety net, your emergency fund. Chapter 7, Building an Emergency Fund. An emergency fund is your first line of defense against unexpected expenses, medical bills, job loss, or car repairs. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Think about the peace of mind you'll feel knowing your family is protected no matter what life throws your way. Finally, let's talk about leaving a legacy for your family. Chapter 8, Leaving a Legacy. Your journey doesn't end with saving. Think about the bigger picture. How can you ensure your family thrives even after you're gone? Create a will, invest in life insurance, and educate your children about money management. You have the power to change your family's future for generations. All it takes is a plan and the courage to start. So, your future starts today. Start small, stay consistent, and never lose sight of your dreams. Saving isn't just about money, it's about creating a life filled with freedom, security, and joy for your family. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and let's build a world where financial freedom is within everyone's reach.